Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinola here, and in this video I have a quick question for you. What would your business look like if you had continuously 20 to 30 leads per day taking a look at your business, product, or service that you are offering out there online in the marketplace, right? Can you imagine what that would do for your business? As you can see here, we're looking at my Aweber account, my autoresponder that I am collecting leads, information that I can continuously market to them by sending them emails about the products and services that I offer. Now, one of the biggest problems, I should say, that people have in selling their opportunities or products, whatever it may be, is that you can't get enough people to come in and look at what you have to offer. That the problem that you have is a traffic shortage, and then the other problem is not having a system in place to capture those prospects or leads information, right? So you can then send them additional information and follow-up information on the products and services that they were interested in, right? Leads need multiple exposures in order for a sales transaction to happen, especially in the online world, right? And now, obviously, in the offline world, right? That being said, if you want to get more traffic, more leads to look at the business, product, or service that you have, I suggest you clicking the link below, checking out my website, where you're going to have access to the formula for creating a perpetual traffic plan, and a daily income, which I call the daily commission formula. That being said, check out the link below. And also, as a gift for you making it all the way to the end of this short video, check out the link below. I want to give you a gift for free. It's a free lead system that you can use right now to start getting more leads and prospects to check out your business opportunity, product, or service. That being said, Chris Espinola, and here, and I'll see you on the next video.